Have you noticed your Electrolux 4-door refrigerator making unfamiliar and unexpected sounds? Good news! Oftentimes, these sounds actually indicate your refrigerator is operating correctly. Here's a quick breakdown of common sounds your refrigerator is making and the components that often cause them. Hearing a boiling or gurgling sound? That's refrigerant flowing through your refrigerator's evaporator. Hissing and sizzling? During defrost cycles, water dripping on the defrost heater can cause these sounds. After defrosting, you might hear a popping sound as well. Clinking? This is the sound of ice cubes falling into the ice bin, meaning it's time to enjoy an ice-cold beverage. Thumping or water running? This is also the ice maker, as well as the fan, water, valve, or refrigerant gas. Snapping or clicking? The electronic control and automatic defrost control make a snapping or clicking sound when the cooling system turns on and off. This could also be the sound of the ice chute opening and closing. Buzzing? This is just the water valve opening to fill the ice maker. Water dripping? That's simply water dripping into the drain pan during the defrost cycle. Pulsating or humming sound? Modern, high-efficiency compressors run much faster than older ones, often making a high-pitched humming or pulsing sound. Your variable speed compressor also runs continuously to help reduce energy. It is also possible you're hearing the damper on your motorized temp-adapt drawer. Lastly, if you're hearing the rushing, blowing, or whistling of air, it's likely forced air from the evaporator fan, condenser fan, or condenser. The good news is, while unexpected, these noises mean your refrigerator is working efficiently and effectively. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.